Ngibingelele kwamthulumile production baba.
Mfethu ngiyabonga msakazi ubonga nakwamthetho. Ngomunye wabahlali balapha eSouth Africa. As lokho siqalile ngicabanga ukuthi lenyanga manje yes4 or yes5 sibhizi sikhuluma nabantu bangaphandle ukuthi sesiyacela size sababekela idate ukuthi la eSouth Africa ngempela akusasebenzeki abantu abaningi bahlele endlini. Sekwande ubupha ngenxa yabantu bangaphandle abathatha amathuba eSouth Africa. So uhulumeni lokho ebhizi sikhohlisa ngokuthi yena no uzolungisa uya create amathuba omsebenzi namanje sisakuphinda ukuthi asikho isidingo sokuthi ku create amathuba omsebenzi eSouth Africa amathuba omsebenzi akhona okay it's fine nansi shop la abasebenzi balapha ba plus or minus 200 workers kule shop le bonke abantu njengoba nje ubona la bonke abantu abala abantu bokuhamba so umbuzo ke uthi ena ukudayisa lapha esitolo noma uku-assist esitolo sekuyisikaskili yini ngoba laba bantu asiyilungise lento le indaba yokuthi abantu sithi abahambe abanamaphepha akusala abanamaphepha no unephepha awunaphepha mawuzela unephepha uze khona ukuzosebenza usuku uzovakasha kuleso sikhashanyana even uzocasha uthola ukuthi amasila mphepha usuku uzocasha not ukuthi usebenze manje sibathola sebeyasebenza thina sisasebenza indawo so njengamanje le shop le njoba nje sila ngeke sisuke kufanele shop ivalwe ngoba kunomuntu eSouth Africa okufuneka asebenze la abahlele ezindlini abangawuthola umsebenzi kuvimbela abantu bokufika noma ngabe banamaphepha noma abanawo akabe buyele amazulu abo silungisa into esilungisayo la sapha la lokho za yebo ileyo nto ke sikhalisa kakhulu
baba mhlambe ke sifuna ukugcizelela nje kuleli lokhuza mhlambe sigcizelele kulena yesikasi skill njengamanje ngoba kula umthetho waseSouth Africa kahle kahle nje ukukhumbuza abantu uthini ngalo yesikasi skill
ake solungisa umthetho waseSouth Africa uhulumeni awubekile uhulumeni waseSouth Africa kahle kahle uyasithuka number 1 la noma ngathi kuyisadek akuvumelekile ukuthi usuke kwelinye izwe yosebenza kwelinye izwe kodwa makuthi mhlambe kunomqashi onomshini othize mhlambe kungekho umuntu eSouth Africa lo mshini waziyo uhulumeni uallowed ukuthi ekhulumisane nabantu abafanele kuhanjwe kuyofuna umuntu owazi lo msebenzi lowo lo muntu usuke engaqashiwe full time uyafika lokuthiwa okay uyawazi lo msebenzi lowo bese eqasha omunye umuntu azomfundisa just a period of mhlambe unyaka or mhlambe izinyanga ezithize as long as ezokwazi ukuthi afundise lo muntu mayesewazi lo msebenzi lowo kuyabongwa lo muntu ebuyele ezweni lakhe so manje lapha sinabantu okuthiwa enano umqashi sekuna 10 years uhleli nabantu lapha which means mayesena 10 years seku right usenze lo wrong wagcina wazwaba road ngenxa yeminyaka yingakho njengamanje uhulumeni uhlulwa ukhipha izoli 1 uhlulwa nje izoli 1 ukuthi abantu bangaphandle anize khona ukuzosebenza nizovakasha ningama tourist nina or abazobhaca beqeda bebebuyele emazweni lapho kuyamhlula uhulumeni yingakho umphakathi wase South Africa ungasayingena indaba kahulumeni ususukuma wona uthi laba abantu asibakhipheni behambe futhi kumnyama kubomvu uhulumeni uyathanda noma akathandi laba abantu bazohamba bonke futhi ngoba kwakhona baba bagcina emalokishini ku wrong umuntu oqashisa abantu bokuhamba njengamanje akabakhiphe emalokishini umuntu onabantu bokuhamba baqasha abarenta kuye akabakhiphe abaqashi abantu bokuhamba banamaphepha noma banawo bana 10 years bana 20 years akabakhiphe behambe ebatshela ukuthi mina ngiyathanda ukuhlala nani kodwa manje abantu base South Africa basanifunda siqedile kanjalo leyo nto esifunayo
sibonga ithubo siphe lona njengamanje
siyabonga mphathi wami ngibonga kakhulu isikhathi
ake ngibingelele baba
yebo baba ntana
ngabe ithini nje i-comment yakho njengamanje ngoba nilapha nje
mina ngumemela umhlalo wala eSouth Africa mina baba ngibona ukuthi njengoba nomnotho sewehle kangaka yikho ukuthi sibangiswa abantu bangaphandle abahambe manje njengoba umnotho unje kukhomba ukuthi ke manje umkhumisi usulingene intondolo lento esinayo encane la eSouth Africa nathi ake sidle sodwa singabala eSouth Africa siyeke lokuthi sibangiswa abanye ngiyamangala ngoba sikhuluma nabo labantu baseNdiya laba esimi nabo labagcwele la masithi sikhuluma nabo abanye baveza ukuthi bayomane befe bona befelela bangimangaza amadoda indoda esuka kubo ifuna ukuzofela komunye umuzi akhombisa uvaka lamadoda awabuyele emazweni awo nawo ayohlupheka khona sishiye nathi nokuhlupheka kwala ezweni lakithi sidle nathi lokho okuncane singabangiswa abantu bangaphandle yiloko nje amaqwerekera awahambe futhi sibonge
baba sila Davidson ukuthi ngabe thini nje izwi lakho nje ungalisho njengamanje ngoba sila nje sizokhuluma nabantu bawufika njengamanje
ngizoba mfishane kakhulu bhuti kodwa nami ngithi abahambe ngempela ngoba sikhathele bhuti asisebenzi amafamily kuvale bona labantu laba imali encane bayayimukela lethi naye singayifuni bona bayayivuma bathi ke i-right
manje
abaphumi kuyasilimaza lokho asikhona ukuqhasheka thina sinetifiketi sifundile thina kodwa sikhona ukuqhasheka emafamily why labantu basebenza lemisebenzi lena esiyenzile kodwa bahola imali encane bayayivuma thina ngeke siyivuma mina ngeke ngivume u-100 nge-hour mina njengami nje ngama-trade wami ngeke ngivume u-100 nge-hour uyayibona kodwa bona bayavuma okay kodwa sengithi mina-ke isikhathi esifikile mabahambe bhuti kamnandi nje hayi ngempi abasihambele kamnandi asibalwisi futhi yabona nje abahambe nje kahle ngiyabonga
siyabonga mfowethu siyabonga
papa le kae
now siyaphila
wabona re nyaka mmashi o peaceful re nyaka gore batho ba no tsamaya ka tsela ya mannete wa bona a re lwele batho a re nyake re batho ba re tsamaya le bona ba lwana mo distrateng re nyaka batho ba tsamaye ka tsela ya mannete ka mokgo wa se gore pakala motakati o re se ra go batša batho se ke ra riang mara he ba hambe ke nna moroka ke tswa gang kwana mora a masemola ke rata ka mo go riang ka gona mara ke rate gore batho ba tle ba gotse ba tsama ba tšea dilo ka morago ga rena wa ke re wang kushakere re nyaka peaceful march ke moka batho ba tsamaya a ke re ba fa notice banna ba gesho phutaputang se e leng sa lena
mara mhlaka-30 e fitlhile and ya tswa o reng
a bona ntho a go tshwana le re faila ke maphodisa a rena kare ke bona ba santse ba rie mmereko jalo mo maphodisa kane rena re tlo ya ro ntšha madi ra riang and ke moka state se tlo re swara wa bona re faila ke state sa rena ke bona ba santse ba tsena ba tseba gore why o ne dipampiri wa rena a ke ne allowed ya gore nka buša monne wa lekula kare o ne dipampiri ore a o natso kane a ke tsebe selo ka papers
mara isystem yabona usho nje isystem yabona i-government mara itsamaya
slow mara ba tseba gore ke bona ba re fa di-date tša ntho tše mara a go diagale selo taswa go bona batho bangwe ba go bala bangwe ba diang ba bangwe ba diang re faila ke state sa rena please state sa rena mapodisa a tsamayanya ka batho ba ba sene o ditokumente ke moka ba tsamaye ba ega o bona because of rena re ka ba bona gane jalo re tlo tšea molao ra o beya ka matsogong a rena and mafelong re a swara
tate leboga gagolo
ke a leboga
but asikhulumeni asigcineni sesivala
mna nje into endiyifunayo ukuthi abantu bahambe because asisenalo ulutsha ngenxa yabo uyababona njengoko bagcwele la ene bahlomile nithi thina masingahlomi bahlomile ndiyababona bangxamile futhi bangxamela ukulwa apho singekho khona mabahambe kuphela
mhlawumbe ke ngithole izwi lebobota sanibona boboti how are you guys right now you can see the community is very upset and their emotions are so high. They are saying we must leave. What can be your comment?
Just what I will say is that actually I don't know. This demonstration is confusing because we see they are just coming to like breaking the shop.
Yes.
As you can see, all we are coming here to see who are those want to take a law on their hands.
Yes.
Yeah, the immigration is a globally phenomenon. Every country have a immigrant. You know, as an African, we can live wherever we want to live. You see, this is Africa.
Yes.
So beyond that also, we are documented people. Who you see today here, some of them they are staying more than 20 years. Some of them they are staying 15 years. So everyone who have a business, they have a document. That's why they establish this business, you know. So I don't know where is actually the point of cautions come from, and unfortunately I don't understand this demonstration. That is what I will tell you.
Thank you, my brother. Sir, I would like to direct this question to you. I can see here, you are quite a lot of numbers here. I will ask, in your stores, do you employ local people so that you can calm the situation down here?
No, here I also have a local people. Some shop also have a local people.
Yes.
Here together is working together.
But the community, what is causing them angry is that you hire yourself only. You hire.
I have also my shop have also local people working also is working together and not only working alone. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Guys, last comment. There you have it, guys. Thank you very much from Mabakam School Media Production.